Today we're talking about quite and how we use quite to reduce the extremity of the adjective we're using, and how to kind of respond politely to give feedback or comment on something in a meeting without offending or being too direct. So, for example, I could say if a client showed me something like a new design, for example, well, normally it wouldn't be the client, it would probably be the supplier. I could say, well, it's quite good, but it's not quite what we're looking for, meaning not exactly. Now, you could also say it's quite different to what I had imagined, but be careful because if you say, I quite agree, it can mean totally agree. Confusing, hey? So the deal here is that with gradable adjectives, quite actually reduces the meaning. For example, good is gradable because we can say very good, really good, quite good, or it's like a medium. It's kind of okay, nothing special. But if you use it with a non-gradable adjective like incredible, then it means totally. For example, it's quite incredible. It's quite incredible means it's totally incredible. Okay, it's like amazing. So that can be a bit tricky. But the main thing to consider here is to use it to be a bit more polite. Just instead of saying it's terrible, which is not going to go down very well with the other person, you can say it's not quite what I wanted. Anyway, I hope that helps. I'll be back with more tips soon. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.